Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kennedy and today we're going to be dyeing my hair. My roots have been growing out and my color's just kind of, I don't know, I just kind of want to refreshen it because some spots are like a little bit darker than others. Anyways, so we're going to be going into the bathroom and you're going to be watching me basically dye my hair. Alright, so we're in my bathroom. Ignore my bed. It's not made right now. So my hair's pretty long, so I'm going to be using box hair dye from Walmart. And I'm going to be using 2 boxes of this hair dye. So this is what I'm using. It's shade 3 in Soft Black by L'Oreal. And I've been using this for like about 2 years. It comes with this color cream and it comes with, so I think that says part 1 is like this color cream, part 2 is the color gel, and then there's this like conditioner stuff to put in your hair when you wash your hair. I already mixed like the first box that I had and it's already turning like this golden color. And now I'm gonna add my second batch because I need like 2 boxes of hair dye, so that's why. Okay, so now we're adding in the color gel. It's already turning dark, so that's good. I kind of have to reread the directions because I forgot how long you have to wait. Like, I know you have to wait until it turns really like a dark enough color that you want your hair to be. Ugh, it smells disgusting. Just stirring it. Oh my god, it smells terrible. Anyways, this might take a few minutes, so we'll see what happens. I hope I don't have to like stop recording in the middle of doing this because that would suck. Alright, so while I'm waiting for my hair dye to turn dark, I'm going to brush my hair and I'm going to split it into sections so it makes it easier for it to dye. We're gonna split it in half again. I split it down this way, so I split it in half, and now I'm splitting it in half again right here.
Into a nice ball, like a space bun. This is like a really not cool looking space bun, but I'm just trying to wrap it up. Let's be honest. Okay. Alright. Boom. Anybody that's a hairstylist watching this is gonna be cringing. They're gonna be like, oh my lord.
What should do into her hair? So I just have that first piece that I divided up. Now I'm gonna divide this from my ear. I feel like I'm just effing this up, honestly. yeah, so I know it's probably not even, but you know how hard this is? Like, seriously, it's hard. Okay, so the hair dye is black, so it's about time. I forgot the most important step, so it has hair dye all over it. So this is Vaseline, like a whole crap ton. And you know what? I'm not even gonna wear a glove. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my fingertip, because if I do take off my gloves and end up getting hair dye on my hands, I'll have Vaseline, and the Vaseline will make sure that my nails don't get stained. So I'm gonna go ahead and put, oh shit, got it in my hair. So try not to get it in your hair, try to get it along your hairline.
The less hair dye you have on your ears. And you won't look like a complete crazy person when you go out later today, you know, when you have hair dye stuck to your neck. Like, no offense, especially if you have colored hair. People notice that you recently have dyed your hair. It's pretty obvious.
So, you're gonna get a towel like this, and you're gonna get some hydrogen peroxide. So you're gonna get this on a towel, because if you get any of that hair dye anywhere in your bathroom, if you just grab some of this, it will literally rub off right away. I don't want my neck to get stained, so I'm not taking down this thing yet, even though the hair is dyed. I'm gonna do this whole entire side and then put this side up, because I don't want it to get all over my face. And then after that, we will mush all of it together. I don't know if that made sense. That chick from Star Wars, I don't know her name, but minus this part, like, okay. So now it's time for the last part, which is the bottom half of my hair. Look at my arm. Like, I try to be clean, but here, I'm just gonna show you how much of a mess I made. Look at my toes. Then look at the ground. Yep, hair dye on the wall. Hair dye on that towel. Hair dye everywhere. I have a few marks on my face from the hair dye. Anyways, hey guys, so I cleaned up my bathroom. There's not any hair dye. It's all in that corner right there. Used some bleach. Looks good in there. Anyways, so I'm just gonna wait about like 30 minutes to an hour. Probably an hour, just because it's not burning my head, and I want it to be pretty black. So yeah, I'll film when I get out of the shower and wash all of it out. So I will be back soon. Alright, so I just got out of the shower, peeped the hair. Alright, and now I'm just gonna wait for it to dry. I'm either gonna blow dry my hair or just let it air dry, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so I just took my hair out of that head towel, and my hair is so dry right now. Even though it's wet, it feels like just like straw. And that's what dyeing your hair does. So I'm gonna be spraying my hair with this leave-in conditioner. It's Biolage. I also used Biolage for my shampoo and conditioner. I use the sulfate-free just because it's healthier for your hair. Also, the conditioner and shampoo I use is meant for overly processed hair, so it does really good with dyed hair and all that. It takes care of your hair, you know. I can already tell my hair's so much darker and I love it. Okay, my hair is nice and soft and conditioned. Time. Alright, and so the ends are pretty dry already. And I love them. Seriously, I love this color. Look how dark it is. The rest of my hair is going to dry pretty fast, so I'll get back to you guys after it's dry. Alright guys, I just finished doing my makeup and my hair has dried. So this is the outcome. Let's look at the roots. See if my camera will focus on that. Yeah, see? A lot darker. I really love this color, and it's just that soft black color. Number 3. This is number 3. I'm guessing that's like the shade of black that is used. Anyways, and it's by L'Oreal. So yeah, I really like this outcome. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and go look at my other videos on my YouTube channel. Alright, bye-bye.